morning, nandito na po kami sa Winford Hotel and Casino, Manila. Kasama ko yung mga manunod po kami sa opening. So tara, samahan nyo kami sa aming paglalaro. Babet. Hello, Babet. Ito, kitang-kita po natin umakyat isang veteranong player ng DCP, Babet Andrada. Alright.
Not just because we're already at war in terms of talent. We want to make sure that we are all upgraded in every way we can be. Again, thank you very much for patronizing this big event. We hope to give you another the fifth, but it's going to be scheduled maybe almost. Anyway, we have
ay, mga players na darterong Pinoy. Hello po sa inyo. Hello po. Ay, hello po. Lolong Lagalagla po, Lolong Lagalag sa iyo. Hi.
We would like to thank all the organizations present today. The organizations from our provinces, all over the Philippines.
Terboy!
Most of us are used to playing in Tacloban, relying on our work in Tacloban, spending a little more this time. You will have to spend a little more on the day, a little more on the food, but maybe another menu, if I may say, but most will not agree. Most will say another flavor. So we will adjust everything to make sure that our next Philippine Open just as well attended, and hopefully we can have a better price package. Anyway, salamat kayo.
Sayang. Bam Noel po yung nagsalita. Sayang, ninabot.
Thank you, Sir Ben. We now move on to the next portion of our program. May we request all participants to stand and join us for the oath of sportsmanship to be led by Mr. Tanicus Malyar, Vice President of the Darts Organization.
Raise your right hand for the oath of sportsmanship and repeat after me. I, please state your name. From Tigre City or Province.
From Makati.
Hereby solemnly swear that I shall abide by the governing rules and regulations of the 9 million pesos Philippine Open International Dart Tournament 2024. I shall acknowledge the decisions of the National Dart Federation of the Philippines. I shall participate and play fairly and exercise.
Maybe call in Long Lapon. Andyan Danny De Valera, our very own Roby John. Loy Sosing. So you can officially start.
Nice, Loy. Duty, do.
And may we request everyone to please stand up so we can start the games. Paolo Lebrida. In 3, 2, 1.
On behalf
Yung mga top player ng Makati.
Guidelines.
Roy Agustin!
Slacks pants, main color on shoes and colored shirts. For the tournament venue, outside food and drinks.
Ito po yung mga top player po natin sa
Tulong lagalab.
Hello po. Dix, Joel, Noel, Maligde.
Lolong lagalag. Lolong lagalag. Pagkuloy na anak niya. Doon.
Ayan, Boyet Alaba.
501 best of 5.
Kasabayan sa DCP.
501 best of 5. Plus star match.
Mga DCP player po. Sa paya.
While teams at the right side of the score screen will choose medal game. Plus by the winner total first of the pool, winner of the pool starts the match.
Lolong Nagalag lang po sa YouTube. Lolong Nagalag.
Kindly have your score sheet before you proceed to the voting stand.
Lolong Nagalag lang po sa YouTube.
Okay, for the losers will score. The losers of the match are required to score the next game of the match. It's been applied by the bench. It's been applied by this tournament policy will be subject to disciplinary action.
Ano po? Ano po? Ano po? Lolong Nagalag lang po sa YouTube. Ano po? Lobek. Ating magigiting na TD. Mga foreign players.
Charap.
Opo, Lolong Nagalag lang po sa YouTube. Lolong Nagalag lang po, ma'am. Lolong Nagalag lang po. Hello po. Hi, LA. Opo. Opo, Lolong Nagalag lang po sa YouTube. Hello po sa inyo.
Team 96, Adonis Elisios and Enrico Lagrito versus Team 97, Doug Elliott and Kyle Magtulis, Chomer Demerson Dagoyen, Board 35.
Lolong lagalag lang
Okay,
po.
second call, Carlos Rico, you have a game on board 25, Carlos Rico. Second call, you have a game on board 25, Carlos Rico, board 25.
Ayan, okay.
Hello everybody, I'm Boris Kuzman from Croatia. I am happy to be here, first time in Filipinas. Very good tournaments and I think it's very good players here and a very good game today we play.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Hello po, hello Philippines. I'm happy to be here. Ang galing ninyo. Susuporta ko kayo. Keep the good work. Alam ko magaling kayo. See you in the PDC na lang.
Okay, thank you
Salamat
po.
po.
Thank you. Po si Sir Paulo.
Ayan po. Dito tayo ngayon sa 9 million. Philippine Open 9 million 2024. Good luck sa lahat. Good luck sa lahat ng mga players. Tinayo pa tayo ng mga iba't ibang lugar. Ayun. So yun. All the best. All the best sa ating lahat.
Salamat po, sir.
Yeah.
Nandito po ako ngayon. Kaharap ko po ngayon si Lawrence Ilagan. Top player po ng Pilipinas. Any message, sir?
Yes, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta. Siyempre sa sponsor natin. Kung hindi po dahil sa kanila, sa mga sponsor natin, hindi mo masaya sa ganap itong palarong ito. At siyempre sa ating presidente na si Congressman Bem Noel. Boss, saludo kami sa iyo. Salamat po. NDFP, National Darts Federation of the Philippines, maraming salamat po. At sa lahat po ng mga nandito talaga, enjoy lang tayo.
Po Sir Bem Noel, President po ng NDFP. Any message po sa mga naglaro?
Magandang araw po sa lahat. Siyempre nagpapasalamat tayo. Natuloy din yung ating fourth Philippine Open. Papasalamat tayo sa lahat ng players na sumali. Kahit pa paano nagbakasyon, nag-leave sa trabaho para lang makalaro sa mahal nating laro. Very successful dahil sa mga nagpa-participate na katulad nyo. Lahat ng players na nandito. Sana po gawa natin ang paraan na sunod natin mga tournaments, sunod natin ang Philippine Open, mas malaki pa, mas maganda pa, at mas mag-enjoy yung ating mga players. Ito ho, para sa exposure ng lahat, para makaharap natin yung pinakamagagaling dito sa Asia, at kung pwede, pinakamagagaling sa mundo, para makatapat sila ng mga Pinoy na magagaling din. No? Para mapakita natin kung gaano kahusay ang mga Pinoy.
Okay, thank you po, Sir Noel. Thank you po.